You always want to carry a pair of them around if you got bad struts. And let me turn this on.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, just got that little old deal on the side.
Nothing.
Yeah, on these, you just got to make sure that those little old deals on the inside are not crooked. If they're crooked, you can't do that. If they're not crooked, you can just pop them up.
There you go.
There we go. Now you can take your vice grips off this one.
Maybe. Hey, maybe just replace one. There we go. Love the simplicity.
Yeah, they made these pretty easy.
Once you realize what you're doing.
Have to put your screwdriver under that little old tab in the back right there. And then spread those little old deals out and it should pop out.
You got that?
Mm-hmm. There we go. Can't beat that. Now that's the way it's supposed to work. Alrighty. And that's how you replace them little old deals. And if yours ain't working, you can replace them for 20 bucks for the pair, I think. So, alright, I guess that's it for now. Just wanted to show you the operation of this thing. You see, you put your screwdriver in here and you pull up on the screwdriver or turn it, and you see that right there? That's what grabs that ball. And what you do to get it to come off of that ball is put a screwdriver back there and twist it. See how that thing moves on the inside? And it'll let go of that ball right there. But if you're trying to put a new one on, and that, you got to look, and if that right there is in the way, you can't pop it on. If you pop it on and that's in the way, it's going to bend that, and then you won't be able to get it on. So you just got to make sure that this is moved over to where that little ball will pop back in there. Alright, just a quick little tutorial.